Hey, it's Enigmatic Gwich'in here. The water went up a bit the last 2 nights. All the boats are afloat and where the landing once was. We got some nets out there we gotta go pull or re-stake. We got a few more stakes to add to them just in case. Make sure nothing drags away with all this water and wind. A few fires going out there, but everything seems to be pretty drenched in rain. So there's a drop down to once was the landing. So we'll probably pull the boats over, get them re-staked and re-tied up. Right, I got my dad's boat, towing it over to a different spot over there, tie it up. It's a storming. It's a storming. One net out, no fish. Just a heck of a lot of sticks and about two half trees and a couple of deadhead floating stumps. So I'll yank this, and when the water comes down about a foot, back in goes the nets. Right, second net out. Current's a little too rough for it in this spot. Hopefully the water comes down. There's more sheepfish and whitefish to get.